on, everybody? It's your girl, Shani the Queen, and I want to say thank you for returning back to my channel. If it's your first time coming onto my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Today, you guys, we're going to be doing a natural face, meaning nothing too eccentric, nothing too pop, just everything nice, calm, warm, natural to the skin, and it's just real professional. So let's get started.
Don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday. We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday.
It's another day, my days seem like the regular. Then I get a hit from Tone up on the cellular. Told me that the block is hot, they throwing party shots to some Bacardi. People getting naughty, so I guess I take a trip. A little, then I dip. Got some plans I can skip. Got the key to the whip. Zoom, zoom. I'm off doing 80 on the highway. Breezy on the radio, got Usher playing my way. End up at the party and I got that sign. Looked at Tone and said like, yo, it's about that time. Time to party, lottie-dottie, cause the party is a hobby. And we so sorry if we flex on everybody, but just chill, yo. We just came to party and it's still hoes. You don't think we won't, but we will, yo. We're getting it on and we ain't leaving till 6 and a 6 and a.
We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday. Don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday. We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday.
It's another day, my days seem like the regular. Then I get a hit from Tone up on the cellular. Told me that the block is hot, they throwing party shots to some Bacardi. People getting naughty, so I guess I take a trip. A little, then I dip. Got some plans I can skip. Got the key to the whip. Zoom, zoom. I'm off doing 80 on the highway. Breezy on the radio, got Usher playing my way. End up at the party and I got that sign. Looked at Tone and said like, yo, it's about that time. Time to party, lottie-dottie, cause the party is a hobby. And we so sorry if we flex on everybody, but just chill, yo. We just came to party and it's still hoes. You don't think we won't, but we will, yo. We're getting it on and we ain't leaving till 6 and a 6 and a.
We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday. Don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday. We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink, we on to another Saturday.
It's another day, my days seem like the regular. Then I get a hit from Tone up on the cellular. Told me that the block is hot, they throwing party shots to some Bacardi. People getting naughty, so I guess I take a trip. A little, then I dip. Got some plans I can skip. Got the key to the whip. Zoom, zoom. I'm off doing 80 on the highway. Breezy on the radio, got Usher playing my way. End up at the party and I got that sign. Looked at Tone and said like, yo, it's about that time. Time to party, lottie-dottie, cause the party is a hobby. And we so sorry if we flex on everybody, but just chill, yo. We just came to party and to steal hoes. You don't think we won't, but we will. Yo, getting it on, and we ain't leaving till 6 in the.
We don't sleep when it's just another Saturday. Party, drink to another Saturday.
Thanks for watching the show, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this natural look tutorial. If you haven't done it by now, please subscribe to my channel. And also leave comments, like, and share. But most importantly, subscribe. Until next time, you guys, it's your girl, Shani the Queen, and I'm out.